Ever wondered how traders predict market movements? It's not magic, it's technical analysis. This tool helps traders make decisions based on historical data. By the end, you'll understand charts, trends, and indicators. Let's dive in. Technical analysis studies historical price data, including charts and patterns, to predict future price movements. It's like being a detective, finding market clues to guide your next move. Unlike fundamental analysis, which looks at an asset's value, technical analysis focuses on price action and market behavior. It's about what the market is doing, not why. Technical analysis identifies trends. Traders use it to spot uptrends, downtrends, or sideways trends. It helps with timing. Knowing when to enter or exit a trade is crucial. Traders rely on charts to visualize price movements. Line charts show price movement over time. Bar charts include price range and opening, closing prices. Candlestick charts show detailed price action. Trends show price direction. 3 types: uptrend, higher highs and lows; downtrend, lower highs and lows; sideways, prices range bound. Support and resistance. Support levels, where prices stop falling. Resistance levels, where prices stop rising. These levels are like invisible walls that prices struggle to break through. Indicators analyze price data to give traders insights. Popular ones include moving averages, RSI measures momentum, and MACD indicates trend strength. How to start using technical analysis. Choose a platform like CEX.IO with advanced charting tools. Learn the basics. Read charts, identify trends, use indicators. Keep learning. Practice and continuous learning are key. Technical analysis is a must-have skill for any trader. Master charts, trends, and indicators to navigate the market confidently. Ready to put your knowledge into action? Start practicing today and elevate your trading. Join us and reach your next crypto level.